Shared Access and Node came together because we offer incredibly complementary services. Mobile connectivity, which is the bread and butter of Shared Access, and fiber and Wi-Fi connectivity, which is where Node have made their name, are both incredibly important to any office or any piece of real estate in reality. Historically, mobile network operators built brilliant networks outside when we're walking around using our devices on the move. However, as more and more of us now want to use our devices inside when we're at work or at home, the problem is we have a thing called the Faraday cage effect. This is where mobile signal cannot penetrate inside buildings because of modern building standards. As a result of that, what Shared Access can do is design and build and fund a system to allow the mobile signal to be guaranteed inside that location. It's really about bringing propagation indoors so that users can use their device in any way they like, wherever and whenever they like.
Node provide smart infrastructure, next generation building connectivity into any asset, whether that be commercial offices, residential, industrial, anything that requires technology. And how we do that is through three very simple service lines. We do our Connect solution, which is that core fiber infrastructure around a building, servicing occupiers, common areas, any space that requires it. A converged network, which overlays all your building systems into one simple, unified network infrastructure. And then we do Wi-Fi technology, which is great for pop-up spaces, event spaces, tenants. It is all geared around a great customer experience, decreasing that siloed approach to how your networks are put into buildings, and really managing that technical expertise within an asset and increasing the benefits. We have recently moved into London in a very big way. We took on 5 assets straight away, the most key one and strategic one being TBC London. With an ever-valued client, it's our 4th building with Fore Partnership, and it is breaking all rent records in that area. It is a very sustainable, technology advanced asset, integrating multiple smart technology services in smart spaces, Metricus, Node, and our parent business Shared Access, developing and delivering real quality end user experience to any tenant that wants to move into that building.
Node are a crucial component of how we deliver smart buildings. Without the connectivity, we can't communicate across the network to those base systems and then surface for our clients greater user experience and ultimately better optimization for the environment.
I think one of the things that occupiers are certainly keen on and visitors to buildings is for that to be a seamless passageway. And whether it's from when you come through the front door, through the speed gates, through the lifts, and then ultimately onto the floor and to your desk. And Node in many ways is the integration layer that makes all of that happen. There are lots of different solutions out there that we partner with in our buildings, but at the core of it, it's all integrated by Node to make that journey for our occupiers and their guests as seamless and carefree as possible. Ultimately, when someone can leave their phone in their pocket and have the speed gates open and the lifts be there waiting for them, I mean, that's perfection.
One of the reasons that we at WiredScore love working with Node is because our interests are very clearly aligned. We're both looking out for a better digital experience for the end users of buildings. I've said it before that I think I'm really impressed with Node's ability to balance the back end and the front end. A lot of what we experience in terms of great digital connectivity is down to things that we can't see. Not many people get excited about telecoms runs and duct capacity and riser width, but they're really, really important. Node's ability to understand what customers expect and the digital and technical infrastructure that delivers those things is really, really impressive. We're really closely interlinked with Node in the way that we approach buildings. So we're looking at a variety of different things within a building, from the technical capacity to the end user experience. Node take care of both sides of that example. So much so that every single building we have worked on with Node has been certified at WiredScore Platinum, which is our highest level of certification available. And really importantly, we've worked with Node in a variety of buildings out with London. I think people get very wound up about London sometimes, and that's where tech is, and that's where largest occupiers are. It's simply not true. The need for great digital connectivity is a global thing, and certainly a national thing in the UK. So to have been able to work with Node all over the country and see the outcomes of the fantastic work they put in these developments has been a real privilege for us.
Node's really helped us because at the end of the day, they're the facilitator for all of our innovative ideas. It's no sense us coming up with a great technology or data play or sensor technology if that can't be integrated into the building system. And I think that's really what Node does. It's a facilitator and empowers us to do all of the creative, crazy things that we want to do when we're trying to drive innovation in our buildings.